Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about some print output function. So guys, in Python we have only one output function, that is print. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the various ways in which we can print the data in our Python. Okay, so let's start the video. So first friend, if I want to print anything, like I want to print hello. Okay, so just we have to simply pass the we have to simply just write the string, okay, within a print function, and then you can simply see here we are printing hello. Okay, so let me start the screen. This is the first way in which we can pass some arguments. Okay, if I want, if I want if I will not pass anything in a print, so it will work like that. Simply as we are it will simply just add one new line in our command. See, here we have one new line. Okay, here we don't have any line after the hello. Here we have one new line. Okay, if we will print without any argument, so it will just give us one new line. Okay, you can see here the print function have this kind of value. First is value separated, that we through which we want to separate our values. Okay, and end with slash n. By default the print function end with slash n. Okay, we can also change it again, the flush and false, all these things. Okay, so one way if I will not pass any argument. Okay, if I will not pass any argument, in that case it will just give us one slash n. Okay, and we can provide our strings. Okay, we can also provide a string just writing in a double quotation. No friend, if I will concatenate a string like hello, hello, good morning, hello, hello everyone. Okay, so in this case what will happen, actually we can concatenate any number of string. Okay, by passing argument hello, hello everyone, good to see you. Okay, so in this way you can see the our string is just concatenated, but the difference is there, we are not getting a space between these our strings. Okay, hello everyone, good to see you, we are not getting a space. If I want to provide a space, so we can do two things. Either I can give space from here, you can see here. Okay, or or the other way. See, now we're getting hello everyone, good to see you too. Okay, or what other way that we can do is just by copying this. Okay, and we can give commas. Okay, we can give commas. When we write commas, in that case there's no need to give space. Okay, it will Python interpreter will implicitly will provide us output with the space. You can see here now. Now the output, you can see here the output. Let me clear the screen. Now the output we are getting hello everyone, good to see you too. Okay, now the output we are getting with space. Okay, here we are not putting any space, but whenever we are going to print or whenever we are going to concatenate a two string with the help of commas, in that case there no need to give any space, or Python interpreter will implicitly give a space and going to give print our values. Okay, and when we are going to use the concatenate operator, in that case we need to provide the space explicitly. Okay, so we can provide multiple arguments. Okay, we have multiple argument. Okay, I want to print it. Okay, with the help of print function, this is one variation. Okay, we can also print simply object. Okay, like I have an object, like I have a string object, str is equal to hello. Okay, str is equal to hello. We can also say simply also simply mm, print anything with the help of object. Like I am passing my object, okay, I want to print its value. Let me clear it first. Okay, so you can see here hello at the end. Okay, so we can, the one way we can simply, okay, we can concatenate. Okay, we can by using commas. Okay, we can pass by we can pass by the passing by objects. Okay, we can also print with the help of the mm, with the help of access specifier, as we have access specifier percentage d. Okay, format access specifier for percentage d, percentage I for percentage u. Okay, percentage d for integer, percentage I again for integer, for u for. Okay, so let's see, like I want to print hello my age is, okay, percentage d, okay, percentage d, then the syntax for it first, okay, then whatever you want, like I want to write 20, like I want to write 21, okay. So now if I will, okay, now if I will run this program, you can see hello my age is 21, okay. So you can print with the help of the percentage specifier. So for the for the percentage specifier, for this we the syntax is usually print, okay. Then the access specifier that I want to, okay, like if I want to print integer, then I have to write percentage d, okay. We can also use percentage I for the integer, and if I want to print a string, then we can use percentage s, and if I want to print floor, then I can use floor percentage f, okay. So these are the specifier that we can use, and then the values, okay, then the values that we have to pass here, all the values that we have to pass. So let's suppose I want to say my hello, my name is hello, welcome to LearningStrome. Like I want to say hello, welcome, welcome to, okay. And then percentage s, and an object whose value is LearningStrome Academy. So here now what we can do, we can just write percentage, and then we write percentages. So these are the rest of the code. Now if I run, you can see here hello, welcome to LearningStrome Academy. So in this way we can use the syntax, syntax in which we can provide our value with the help of percentage, with the access specifier. This is the other way in which you can print the values. So let me clarify once. So this is by passing an object, passing object, okay. And these are just simply uh, like passing string directly, strings by passing strings, okay. So there are three variations with the help of concatenation with the commas, okay. So the difference is, with when we will use the concatenation, in that case we have to explicitly provide the spaces, and when we will use the comma, in that case we did no need to provide the spaces, okay. And bypassing the object, okay. So this is another way, okay. So one other way that we can use is with uh, with the let's see the other way which can we follow. Let's say we have print, okay, and I want to say that hello, welcome to, welcome with the help of format function. So how we can do welcome to LearningStrome Academy, LearningStrome Academy, okay. Welcome to LearningStrome Academy. My age is 21, okay. And then what we can do, we need to just need to call format function, format, and then here we need to just provide the values that we have, like the value we have, like we have values s, and then the age I want to write 21, okay. Here we need to write comma, okay. And then you can see here if I will print this program, okay. So first of all, let me clear the screen. We are getting an output, but we are getting type error. Format argument 2. Let me format argument 2 must be string, not int, okay. Let first clear the screen, okay. Now I let, okay. So now if I run my program, see here, uh, we're getting hello, welcome to LearningStrome Academy. Okay, so actually here we have to write the full stop. Okay, non command. That's why we're getting error in last. Okay, earlier we are getting error just because of the comma. Okay, you can see here hello, welcome to LearningStrome Academy, and my age is 21. Okay, my age is 21. Okay, so we can also print our values in this way. Okay, this is also one way in which we can print our values. Okay, here there in this way we can follow some variations. Okay, the variation that we can follow here, I'm not using any index. Okay, so here I can write in this way also, like 21 also and s also. Okay, so both will work. Okay, so if I will provide indexes like 0 and like 1, so the benefit of it, like now in this way what will happen actually, now the s is assigned to 0 index, and 21 is assigned to 1. Okay, so now the benefit of if I want to use anything again, repeat again, want to repeat it again, any value like um, sus- subscribe 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 LearningStrome Academy. Okay, so the LearningStrome Academy have a value index 0. Okay, so if like 0, okay, here, so with the help of index we can what the benefit of indexing, that we can reuse it. Okay, so now if you can see, if I will run the program, so you can see here hello, welcome to LearningStream Academy. Okay, my age is 21. Subscribe the LearningStream Academy. So the benefit of using the index is that we can reuse the values. Okay, so if I will not provide any indexing kind of schemes here. Let's see, I don't want to provide any indexing. In that case, we will get an error. See, here we are going to get an error because tuple index out of range, because here we are using two values and we are trying to extract the three values. Okay, so that's why we will get an error. Okay, so that is the benefit of indexing. If we will use the index, in that case what will happen, we can reuse the value as many times. Okay, so this is the one benefit. Okay, this is the another variation. Okay, the one more variation that we have in this case. So first let me clear the screen. One more variation that we have, let me tell you one. Hmm. Let me copy this. So the one variation that I told you, we can use the we can follow the text scheme. Okay, like 0, okay, and 1. Okay, and we can reuse by using the index again. Okay, so this is the one scheme. Okay, and the other scheme that we can use the concept of the functional. We can by see, like x, like anyway, like a is equal to s. Okay, and b is equal to 21. Okay, now if I we can either provide indexes, either we can denote it by any alphabet or any letter. Okay, so now I can, if I will write here a. Okay, now if I can write here b, with by using this concept, that we can also reuse the values. Okay, like I want to again use b here. Okay, so in this way we can also reuse the value. Okay, so these are the three ways in which we can use the format function. Okay, let's run this once again. You can see here, let me let me run the screen here. Here you can see third, hello, welcome to 21, because the value of b is 21. My is learning from and academy, and it's 21. Okay, actually I am using value in different order. That's why we are getting this. Okay, so these are the ways in which we can use the print functions. Okay, you can see here by using the format. Okay, by using the percentage, by using the access specifier. Okay, and by just directly passing the objects, we can print the thing, and by just giving the arguments. Okay, and we can concatenate two string by using the plus operator, or even without the plus. Okay, by just giving a commas between them. So we also got the difference between them, and we also get to know about the print function. One more thing that I have to tell you regarding, we can also uh, uh, so we can also we can also change the actually we have to whenever we are trying to print anything, like I want to print hello. So what actually happen, like I have value, like I have a is equal to 10 and a b c is equal to 10. Okay, now I want to print if a comma b comma c. Now if I'll print it, so let me do one thing, let me make it comment, because now this outputs can be, see. Now if I will run this program, so let me clear the first screen. Okay, now see one thing. Okay, so now I will run this program. So you can see we are getting 10 and 10 and 10. Okay, so the thing that I have told you here, you can see the separator, this where a space is separating between them. Okay, here you can see when you're providing commas, so the values we have where the space is separating these value. Okay, so we can also change this thing. How we can change? We can, like we can explicitly define separate, the value of separator is equal to, okay, like separator is equal to separator is equal to, like I want to, like comma. Okay, so let's run this program. Let's see. Here we are now our values getting separated by comma. Okay, you know why? Just because we are getting space here, because the by default separator value is space. That's why whenever we are printing our value, okay, in that case we are getting space here. You can see here we are also getting space in our argument, just because of the by default space value, the value of separator is space. Okay, we can change the value of separator. Okay, here you can see we are changing the value separator by the comma sign. You can see here now when after changing the value of separator, we are getting commas here. Okay, we can also provide anything here. Okay, like double is equal to equals to, okay, now you can see the value you're getting 10 equal to 10 equal to 10. Okay, okay, so actually this is just the space that we are getting earlier, just because of the by default value of separator. Okay, just because of that. Okay, and one more thing that you have to notice, that after the printing 10, our the next line is getting our output is getting next line. Okay, the next line, our printer actually gave also and will provide a new line space. Okay, so that's why if I will, we can also change it. If I will write here and is equal to space, so now if, okay, now I will run the program. So let me do one thing and let me print some value like hello. So now one thing that you will see, that here you can see that the after printing this line, the next output we are getting in the same line. Okay, we are not getting a line output in different line. Okay, here if I will remove the end, or if I will remove the end, now I will notice that now here the output we are getting next line. Okay, it is just because the by default value of end is slash n. Okay, it after at the end of the print statement, it enters a new line space. Okay, it enters a new line. That's why the value we are getting in the new line. But earlier, but when we can also modify its value. Okay, we can modify the value of separator and we can modify the value of end. Okay, we can the by default value of separator is space and the by default value of end is new line. Okay, so we can explicitly provide, change the value of separator by on, and we can also change the value of explicitly by the end. Okay, so this is all about the print function. In the next video we are going to talk about the control flow statement in Python.